Hello, this is Dr. Bass. Welcome to the channel. In this series, I'm going to be converting this 1960s 14-foot aluminum Starcraft into this here tiny bass boat. The purpose of this series is to provide some instructional commentary along the way for those of you interested in how to do this kind of build. This part is pretty straightforward. I'm just removing the old seats and any old parts left in the boat to get it ready to paint. You'll notice I keep the brackets or the seat supports on there. You'll see that I eventually will use those to actually level the deck. I found this boat locally. It came with a trailer and a 15 horsepower Evinrude outboard, and it turns out that it's the same make and model of a previous boat build that I did that you'll find on my channel. So I had a pretty good idea of what I wanted to do with it before it arrived. If you don't have a heat gun, you can get away with using a hairdryer to remove the old decals on the boat. Here I'm just using a palm sander to remove as much of the paint as possible. Whichever way you choose to remove paint, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area. This should have been done outside, but it is in my garage with the door open. I used Rust-Oleum topside paint for this. I put on 1 coat of primer and then 2 coats each of the white and then Battleship Gray. I brushed it on initially, but then used a roller to finish it. For the trailer, I just used spray paint. I sanded out any rust that I saw and then put a coat of primer on it and then finished it with a coat of Battleship Gray. Now that I'm done painting the trailer in the hull, I'll go ahead and put the boat back on the trailer. Once the boat's on the trailer, I can edge the top of the gunnel in gray and then the inside of the gunnel in white, just down far enough to where I know the decking is going to cover it. So this is the finished product. In the next video, we'll begin the framing process. Thanks for watching.